to the Arboretum. Caesar's here with who? So what is an arboretum? An arboretum is a place where trees and other plants are grown and studied.
The word arboretum comes from the Latin word arbor, meaning tree. The Jacksonville Arboretum is a 120-acre property with an interesting history. From about 1944 to 1961, the Humphreys Gold Mining Company operated in the area. Despite its name, Humphreys did not mine gold here, but instead minerals used to make titanium.
I don't think I'm gonna read the rest of that, but...
So we have a whole bunch of different, we can go around the lake. Right here, we can go the upper ravine trail, which has like all of this right here.
I feel like I need to take a picture of this.
Yeah, they're all connected. You'll see the signs.
So we're here, and I'm gonna come down here. And then
Creek and come back
we can always come back here.
Back there. Yeah, that sounds good. Seems like scenic.
Yeah, maybe that's picnic areas.
So awesome.
Look at that beautiful rustic art. Beautiful. We're on the ravine trail. Walking down the trail. Oh, I think I see a snail. Oh, I wish I had some salt. Oh, so I wouldn't kill. I wouldn't hurt a snail. Snail, that's kind of nasty. Number one, but you don't want to hurt. You don't want to hurt wildlife. See, you ain't even got no more pee, buddy. The atomizer was a little off. I don't know if I was hitting it. Oh, yeah, no, I was hitting it. Yeah, that shit was being hit. Oh. That shit was hit. Look at this, y'all. That shit is beautiful. It's all beautiful. Look at this. This is nature, bro. This is where we used to live before apartments. Like
Wedding pictures? Right here.
wedding pictures.
Engagement photos right here.
Maybe if you light it up.
No, but yeah, just get good lighting. This would be so nice. And palm trees.
Yeah, whoever. She just wanted to say something about engagement. It's a good place.
Do not judge me.
I don't judge you. Caesar, you tired already like that. We like 3/4 of the way in yet, buddy. This is army crawling.
Down. I can't. Nah. Get up, Betty.
Yeah, see. Caesar's like, bro, for real. Come on. Come on, Caesar. Yeah, you need to exercise more. Oh, I can't play Pokemon Go because I have my phone. I got my iPad in my book bag.
Oh, they got so many Pokestops.
I know, but I can't do anything with them.
Okay, I'll trade with you.
Bro, you're gonna make me stop this video. Damn, I want to play Pokemon Go.
Play. Just put it on phone. We'll show different parts when we get to like more scenic routes anyway.
See, this is why I need like another holster. Like something that I hold
One that
like
has
here.
like a hat.
Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can do this. Is there a trash can out here or I gotta hold their poop forever? Maybe we should just let them poop. I mean, we are in the nature, right?
That's true.
Oh, see, this is how people get lost right here. At this moment is when niggas die.
So the upper ravine trail.
Okay. Upper Ravine Trail. That should say Aurelia, but like it's a split in the road, and you never want to go to a split in the road because 9 times out of 10. Oh, okay. Look, this is a longleaf pine, a Pinus palustris, in the Pinaceae family. All right, southeastern U.S. indigenous to
They
the.
have owls out here, I'm assuming.
You have to click.
QR coded.
Yeah.
Where's my QR code?
Oh, you ain't got a QR code. I know what an owl is.
I know you know what it is. I'm done with you. A documentary?
It's a documentary interactive trail, y'all.
That's crazy. This is the ravine. Okay. Wow.
Wow.
So pretty. This is my Carolina.
You normally don't see these in Florida, I feel like.
Oak trees. I'm allergic. Holy shit.
Oh, live oak. I'm allergic too.
Oh, great.
Look at this.
Go sniff
Okay.
it.
Quercus virginiana. Ah, Quercus virginiana. So I guess that means it comes out of Virginia. It's in the Fagaceae family, southeast and south central U.S.
Yep.
All right.
I got a whole bunch of them. Great.
Look at this ravine,
I
guys.
said, Lance, go smell it and see if you sneeze.
Yeah, I will probably go into like anaphylactic shock. How many views do you think I'll get?
A lot.
Hey, that's how YouTube is. Hey, man, I hope these. You think there's any poison oak out here that I gotta worry about for these dogs? Yeah. Look at this, yo. This is where you see movies and they push people off. Maybe that's where the no dogs are allowed. Caesar, what do you smell? I'm gonna take you hunting, boy. I'm gonna take you hunting, boy. What you smell? Oh, you probably smell a female in heat. Come on. Yeah. Oh, let's see.
More oak. Great.
Laurel oak, Quercus laurifolia. Ah, laurel.
Take a bath, then I go home. Shit.
So laurel, that's why it's named that?
Yeah.
The laurel color. It's just, I feel bad because I don't see nobody else's poop. You know, it's like with cigarette. You know how with cigarettes, bro, you smoke a cigarette and like you feel bad for throwing it on the ground until you see somebody else's cigarette on the ground. You're like, all right, well, yeah, I don't see no other doggy poop. And I've seen a whole bunch of doggies, so something ain't right.
I'm sure everybody's thinking the same.
You know what? You know what I heard that we're probably doing wrong? They said whenever you go out hiking for the first time, don't think you're super experienced and go for like, I know it's not Black Diamond because that's like snowboarding and skiing, but don't go for like the hardest trail. But we are like super prepared. We got dog food for the dog and water for us and the dog. I don't think we'll need to eat. If we do, we'll find some berries.
I can't find.
But you know, I have no problem becoming a like. I'll become a carnivore. Like I'm already a carnivore, but like, what do they call it whenever you eat a human? Yeah, I will become a cannibal. See, look at them arms, y'all. Oh, those going first. And then cheeks, cutting them cheeks off. I'm making slices of bacon out in cheeks. I'm gonna dry them out, put them on some bread. Me and Caesar gonna eat it. I promised them at the next stop I would give them some water. So we're gonna go ahead and take a little water break for this guy. Caesar. Oh, we'll be back. Oh, here we go again. Come on, Caesar. He's ready to go, I can tell you that. I'm sweating. Sitting down, jumping up, sitting down, jumping up. There's a red marker, so we know where we're going. At this point, I don't even care about live oaks and shit. I just want to get done with this. So, you got bit? Oh my gosh, there's rattlesnakes out here. I'm just kidding. I'm letting Caesar lead the way because he's trying to go fast. He's trying to go fast. Muscadine grape. I don't see no grapes. So we are all along the ravine. Already know what I mean. When I get home, I need to get clean because I'm sweaty. Y'all ain't ready.
Oh, Nancy G on the mic. Don't better keep it steady. Aha! Walking through the woods. Damn, it feels good. Going over the hump. All I can think about is that 30 lady lumps.
Oh, hit him with the trail freestyle. Oh, Caesar, pooping. Different kid, they got cameras. Yeah, I'm just gonna put some dirt on it. It wasn't even that much. Boom, it's good. Good boy, that's gonna be a diamond one day. North Florida insects, I'm straight on that. Where do we go? Exit. I think we're about done. I think we're about done with this trail, y'all. I think we just did our first trail. We're just trying to. Oh look, they got a little creek. Can you guys imagine the ecosystem that takes place in your backyard if you go outside and just take a gander? Okay, hold on. It said exit and now it says Jones Creek. It's okay, buddy. We can walk this way. We're Goliaths. I don't even know what to bring for him next time. Maybe some shoes. You get some little Jordan hiking shoes for you. Caesar, you can't go underneath there, bro. Exit. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Caesar's looking at it too. He's like, look at gander at that art. Alright, come on. I like these decks. What do you guys use? Jacksonville Arboretum? Arboretum? Or Arboretum? Huh? Do you guys use Yellowwood? Yellowwood, I think that's the name of it. I can only imagine what Ika would do out here, bro. Ika would honestly go crazy. She would not move. She would lay down and not move. Oh, you hear that, guys? I feel like we're back in the days for real. Like we just got done hunting and gathering.
I can't.
And now we hear the thunder and we're about to go back to camp and meet with the tribesfolk. Yeah. And whenever we meet with them, we're gonna discuss today's happenings and we're gonna eat and we're gonna thank the skies for opening up and blessing us another day. Man, that's deep, bro. What is this? Warning, bacteria levels in this stream exceed state standards. Oh my God, y'all need to cut it. Okay, so how do we leave? Which way do we go? There's a trash can. Trash can for the poop. It's a trash can. And they ask for what? I say the poop.
Sure there's poison ivy here. They just label it.
Poison ivy?
I guess the thing. If there was poison ivy, they would label it.
Like, where you see that? I ain't never seen no poison ivy.
I'm saying that if your wife
If woulda, was a shoulda, coulda, I woulda, coulda been. I don't know. I just came up with that. I don't know, maybe. I might have just hijacked somebody's shit. I'm trying to think how to end it. Coulda, shoulda, woulda been. Red cedar? On your right? Okay, Milan tour guide us. And if you guys look to the right, we have the Kunti, the Zamia intergriffolia. Oh, intergriffolia. Huh. Man, the mosquitoes ain't even touching me. They know who I be. L-A-N-C-E. They also know me as Lancy G. Hey, I need to get my hair cut. You know what sucks though? I'm happy I didn't get my hair cut because there's nothing worse than getting your hair cut than going out in nature. Just get dirt all in it. It's just.
There's no water on me. The mosquitoes are coming.
Come here, Caesar. Come here. Drink some water. Come here. Here.
Coming for me.
Come here. Here. Drink some water. Here you go, buddy.
Why should we stop? We must continue.
Come on, buddy. He like, bruh, look me in the eyes and tell me I don't want to get the F up out of here. Straight up. He's like, whenever I get home, I'm retiring. I'm retiring. Both my hands are tied up. I can't even vlog the scenery. This is super beautiful. It looks like a kind of marshland. Like, oh, it's a lake. I didn't even know he was gonna walk over here until he started walking over here. So we can get a full view. Lake Ray, named for Councilman Lake Ray. Honestly, I just like to be happy.
That's cool.
That's my political stance. Happiness. Happiness. That's all it is. See, that's how I want to prepare. That's how we need to prepare. Get like rucksacks like that. If we can prepare like that, we're straight. They probably got a tent in there. You think we can tent out here? Camp out here?
No.
Oh, it closed at 5. It's summer though. Oh, June 18th is summer, I think. Do you know that 4 years ago today, I got my stomach tube out?
Really?
4 years ago today, I got that little thing out. So I think that's a little bit of inspiration for me to definitely post this one. I got my daily Dunkin', so it's gonna be like rapid fire, as long as I can edit it, because editing is like way harder than people make it seem. I mean, honestly, it's not. It's just you gotta watch the same footage like 50 million times before you start. Yeah, it's where you start like.
Starts to blur together.
Yeah, it starts to blur together, and then you're all screwed. I figured we'd wait until the kid crossed, and then. Cause Caesar, if it was Caesar, he would lick them all in the face. Okay, y'all let me know, am I wrong? Because I'm not going to go around it because that's what they expect us to do, right? It says, boom, they have this, but yet it is wide open, and it says all dogs must be on leash. Do you think that means we can't go around it? Are we not going to go around it for real? We're not going to. No, it's okay. It's okay. Because you already put it in the air now, we're going to get arrested. See, here comes another doggy, because you don't want to go around the simple obstacle. Caesar, you're too tired for that shit. And hey, I need to get my AC compressor belt fixed so then I can have AC in my car, because I told myself by summer I was going to do it. I got the AC compressor belt, I just need to put it in. So if y'all know anybody that can do it, or teach me how to do it, I would be so happy, because y'all hear that? I'm about to be sweating in my core. I'm gonna be bumping, but I'm gonna be sweating still. I'm saying, can you put it on? Oh, okay, how about this? All right, let's say, okay, so I'm getting my bachelor's in biology. If I was to volunteer here, could I put it on my resume if I was to be a biologist? Let me know if I can do that, because you know how Kim K is doing that little internship and she can become a lawyer. Is there any type of track like that I can possibly get into biology or science through an internship and a series of tests? Because I would love to do that. And you may ask, just go to school. I am in the process, but honestly, it's like my life is hectic. And I have to be there. I'm an oral and visual learner. Yeah, but whenever I'm in class, I'm balling. Caesar hates to leave, but he loves to watch us go. It was a really good trip. It is actually right off Monument. I would walk to the front and show you guys the little sign, but That's a lot. Oh, there it's about to start. Oh, gotta rapid unpack.
Yeah, backpack. Oh, here you go. Have a seat. Alright, put a seat down. Caesar, in. Come on, buddy. Let's go inside. I know you're tired, buddy. Let's go. I know you want to come up front, but you can't. Let's go in the back. There you go, buddy. There you go. You got it. Yeah, buddy. You want to lay down?
This is my car too, guys. I finally got her fixed. So,
Don't be modest.
my baby Adele, I fixed her myself. Because fixing it yourself is way better than paying mechanics.
Man, he's good with his hair.
Oh my goodness. Stick shift. Oh, I guess. Yeah. Alright, well, it's super hot, and I have to put on this music because Milan's playing Pokemon Go. So, bye. Skadoosh. Well, I'll probably do a review, so I probably won't skadoosh yet, but still, skadoosh. So, I was about to start editing the video because we just got back like 45 minutes ago. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. It's super dark in here. So I realized whenever we got back that I had to turn it down because I always have ESPN on. So I realized that I didn't even say anything about us going to the Arboretum. I'm just gonna say it now. I say it wrong a lot in the video because I looked it up when I was about to edit it and realized that the pronunciation was completely off. So my goal this weekend was to get out of the house and do something, to vlog and actually post it, edit it, because over the past, ever since my first video, I kind of felt like everything that I recorded wasn't good enough. It was just in my head, I was just yeah. So I made it a goal for this weekend to do something, post something, and for the past 3 weeks I've been wanting to go to the Arboretum. So this weekend I finally was able to go. I'm gonna start calling it a botanical garden because I don't want to say Arboretum over and over again. So we went to the botanical gardens today with Caesar. He's still tired as shit. But he enjoyed it. He loved it. Ike goes in heat, so we decided to leave her home since she's aggravated. But I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys like being in nature. It was my first time being in nature, honestly, like that. I can't remember me ever hiking like that. I remember going up to a large property, of land, and riding around in four-wheelers and stuff like that, but not walking through the woods and seeing ravines and seeing oaks and all those crazy nature things that speak to my soul. You gotta try it. You have to try it. Don't knock it till you try it. The next thing I want to do is maybe I really want to surf. I haven't surfed in so long. I need to surf and I need to golf, so that might be what I do next. But thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have ever been to a botanical garden before, or if you guys are interested in going to one, or if you would ever go to one. Let me know some other things that maybe I can do to get back in touch with nature, because that's really what I'm trying to do. Is I'm trying to start being consistent in in seeking, you know, my refuge and being consistent and getting better. Because I always feel like I get better, I get to a point, and then all of a sudden it's just like a deep slide. But thanks. I mean, this is what it is. Skadoosh.